Cuba and the United States on Wednesday took a step forward in normalizing their relations by restoring direct telephone communications between the two countries. The state-run telecommunications company of Cuba S.A., or ETEXA, said the direct connection was set initially for international calls. It was a result of an agreement between the firm and U.S. service provider IDT Domestic Telecom Incorporated. It marks the first agreement since the two countries announced plans to restore diplomatic ties after over 50 years of hostility. The new link will begin with international voice calls, with other kinds of services coming up in the future. Nearly 2 million Cuban Americans will have access to the direct service to call their families back in Cuba. Telephone communications were most recently cut in 1999. In the past, trade and phone calls between the two countries had to be routed through third countries. It pulled up costs and resulted in poor call quality. Washington and Havana announced in December plans to restore diplomatic ties. It was the most sweeping change in U.S.-Cuba relations in 5 decades, although the move sparked much controversy. As part of the rapprochement, the U.S. relaxed some restrictions on doing business with Cuba, which included allowing U.S. telecom firms to sell their services to the island.